Right, can you please say your name and number to the camera? Yep. Name and number.
Name and number?
Yep.
Name and number?
Yep, your name.
Anna.
Yep. And surname?
Anna Ishii.
Ishii, yep. And number. Do you know?
Number.
Two.
ID.
Yes, ID number.
And 2101002.
Good. Thank you. Lovely. So, Anna, tell me a bit about yourself.
Tell me about yourself.
Yes. Okay.
Can you compare studying in IPC and studying in your high school? Is it better, more interesting, more difficult? Or
More difficult.
more difficult?
Yeah. And lots of homework.
Really?
Yeah. Japan, my high school is not homework. Usually not homework.
Really?
So yeah, I was surprised in here.
Okay. So are you working hard?
Yeah.
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 Okay.